Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stu McLaren from WishList Products, and in today's video we're going to cover 10 different membership models that you can create using WishList Member. Alright, membership model number 1 is the publisher model. This is the most common type of membership site. It's where you're providing ongoing content on a regular basis. It's very much like an online magazine, except when your members join, they have access to not only this month's new articles and resources, but all the previous months as well. And again, an example of that would be CBI Clubhouse.com. CBI Clubhouse.com. It's from one of our customers, John Bard. Here's an example of what it looks like. So they've created a membership site that was actually an offline newsletter membership that they converted to an online membership using WishList Member, and they provide ongoing resources for people interested in publishing children's books. So that's CBIClubhouse.com, and that's an example of the publisher model. Membership model number 2 is the UPS model. This we called the UPS model because it's where you're providing a package of content to your members each and every month. Now an example of that would be monthlyproducts.com. Monthlyproducts.com. Our customer Armin Morn created a site where they provide a package of interviews each and every month. Now here's an example of what it looks like. But here's what I want you to notice. You can't see very much content if you're not a member or you haven't logged in. The reason being, they've set it up so if you're not a member, you can't see any of the content. And they've also set it up so that if you are a member in month 1, you only see month 1. If you're a member in month 2, you'll see month 2 and month 1. So they delivered that package of content, and you're only able to access each package that you've paid for. All right, membership model number 3 is the micro-continuity membership model. This is a fixed-term membership, meaning rather than a membership that's ongoing, it's only for a fixed term, perhaps 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or what have you. Whatever you decide is the fixed term, but the reason it's a fixed term is because there's an end in sight. This is actually proven to increase conversions in some cases because now your customers know that there's an end and they look forward to that end, if you will, by going through all of the material. You can see how to set this up. We created some videos at member.wishlistproducts.com/micro. That's member.wishlistproducts.com/micro, and in those videos we detail how to set up a micro continuity membership. Alright, membership model number 4 is the modular course. So if you deliver any type of training that is broken down into modules and you want to automatically move people from module 1 to module 2, module 3, and so forth, you can do that using WishList Member and the sequential upgrade feature. So you create a membership level for each module, and now you can set the sequential upgrade to automatically move the members from one module to the next at the appropriate time. Now, here's an advanced idea that some of our customers are using. Instead of automatically moving the members, they're requiring their members to pass a test proving that they've actually consumed the material and they've implemented it. This has been a very effective way to increase the consumption of that material and therefore increase the retention and the experience that the customers are having. Alright, model number 5 is the protected download area. So if you sell any type of digital product online, this is the type of membership site you want to create. Instead of just putting your products on a download page, what you want to do is create a protected download area, and therefore now your members, when they purchase, they get a member username and password, and they can access the materials that way. It eliminates a lot of digital theft where people buying the product are sharing it with those who haven't bought. So it gives you, as the owner, a lot more control. Now here's an example. WhatIfYouWereThin.com. It's a site by Rachel Young. And what she did was she herself lost over 80 pounds. She detailed how she did that in an ebook, and she delivers that ebook in a protected members area where they log in and access it from there. All right, model number 6 is the project management. So if you're working with virtual teams, it's perfect. Perhaps you have a bookkeeper in one area, a web designer in another, and a programmer in another country. Now you can create a centralized project management area where your bookkeeper has access just to the bookkeeping area, and perhaps they also have access to any shared communication parts of the site as well. And likewise for the web designer and the programmer. So it allows you to create a centralized project management area and allows you to centralize communications as well. All right, model number 7 is the community center. We didn't originally think of this one at all, but this idea came from one of our customers. His name is Philip Mutry, and we did an interview with Philip, and his site is jvlistbuilding.com. He created this site not to sell or deliver content, but rather to create a central place where people who had a shared interest in subject matter could come, gather, and communicate. In this case, it was JV List Building, and they were talking about how to help each other build their particular list. All right, that's the community center. Model number 8 is the private members area. Now, you're going to see a big smile on my face here because the example I'm going to give is WriteToGive.com. Now, this is a site created actually by my wife. We run a charity called World Teacher Aid, and Write to Give is a campaign of that charity where teachers in classrooms from all across North America come together to write books, we publish them, and then sell those books to raise money for the charity. Well, Amy wanted a central place to be able to communicate with the teachers, provide them the resources and materials they need for their classrooms, and much more. And so we put that in a private members area. You can see it here at Write to Give, and you can see the different links that the teachers have and the videos that they're able to access from there as well. So that's a private members area. All right, model number 9 is the coaching site. If you're a coach or consultant, you can instantly increase the value you provide to your coaching clients by creating a coaching members area. So perhaps you have an area of the site where it's common resources that you're using for all of your clients, and then you could create a personalized area for each particular coaching client that is specific to just them. It's the perfect type of site if you have between 10 or 30 coaching clients. If you have more than that, you probably want to use a different type of membership model. But for this model, it allows you to create a much more personalized experience, and it increases the value immediately by being able to provide an online coaching area specific to your particular coaching clients. Model number 10 is the combo model. This is where you're using parts of different models all in one site. So perhaps you are providing ongoing content, just like the publisher model. Perhaps you have a site that's part of the site is also providing a modular course and also probably a protected download area. So therefore, it's using parts of all different models all in the same site. All right, so let's quickly do a recap. Model number 1 is the publisher model, providing fresh ongoing content on a regular basis. Model 2 is the UPS model, delivering a package of content each month. Model 3, micro-continuity membership. It's a fixed-term membership, ends after a period of time. Modular course, sequentially delivering content to your members one module at a time. Module 5 is the protected download area. So instead of delivering a digital product on a thank you page or download page, you put it behind a members area. 6 is the project management area. So this is perfect if you have or are working on virtual teams and you want a common place to be able to come together and organize your projects. Number 7 is the community center. It's a central place where people can communicate on a shared topic or subject matter. 8 is the private members area, where you perhaps provide resources and materials, and you could also have communication for a selected group of people. 9 is the coaching site. It's a more personalized experience, specific area to each coaching client, and also giving them access to the shared resources. And 10 is the combo model, using elements of any of those. If you would like more membership training, please visit WishListMember.com. We're providing lots of ongoing training, and we're also delivering a course on how to create a membership site using each of those membership models. When you get there, click on the training tab, and you'll see all the resources. With that, my name is Stu McLaren. I want to thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing about your success with your membership sites. Take care.